Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are fine, staying safe at home. Children, today in this video, we are going to study about Chapter 3 The Brave Tailor. Yes, children, self confidence and courage. Children, in the previous video, we have seen the lesson, the lesson The Brave Tailor. I explained you, I told you how to read it. So, at home, you have to read your lesson every day to develop reading skills. Okay, children? Now, children, in this video, I am going to teach you about the grammar part which is in your course book. Okay, if you will see, children, first we are going to study about capital letter. Now, first question come in our mind, what do you mean by capital letter? Means what is the use of capital letter? Yes, children, a sentence always begins with a capital letter. Yes, and for example, if you will see here, I love my country. So if you will see I is capital. Okay, children. So always remember that a sentence always begins with a capital letter. See, children, you know that proper nouns, if you will see here, proper nouns which are special name, okay, they also begin with a capital letter. So, we know that a sentence always begin with a capital letter. We have seen the example like I love my country, I love my family, etc. If you will see the first letter I, it is capital. Like that, proper nouns. Children, I taught you about proper nouns. Proper noun means what? They are the special names. Yes, the names of special names of person, place, animals and thing. So they are called proper nouns. So which are special name, they also begin with a capital letter, children. Okay, for example, my name is Priya, your name is Survi. Okay, so your name begin with a capital letter because it is a proper noun. So we know two things, that a capital letter in a sentence always begins with a capital letter. And proper nouns which are special names, they also begin with a capital letter. Yes, children. For example, India, Monday, Raman. So India is the name of a country. Monday, Raman, they all begin with a capital letter. Taj Mahal, because they are the special name. They are the proper nouns. Yes, children. Now, children, let's study about comma. What is the use of comma? So, if you will see, children, a comma is used to separate words in a list. For example, we need to buy pencils. Okay, buy pencils, razors. Razors means your sharp, which you use to sharp your pencil. Razor sharpness and rulers. Okay. So for example, if I am saying a comma is used to separate word in a list. We will see some examples were given here. For example, we need to buy pencils. See, I not put here, if you will see, yes. Yes. See, children, so where the commas will come? Yes, pencil, razor, sharpeners, and rulers. Okay, so you know that a comma is used. When we use a comma, yes, a comma is used to separate word in a list. If there is a list and there are different things, okay, so we will put commas over there. So here we use the comma. Now let's talk about full stop. Yes, children. See, children, if you will see here, full stop is placed at the end of a sentence. It completes the sentence. Yes, children. What is full stop? A full stop is actually, it is, if you will see the sign of full stop, dot, you will see, is placed at the end of a sentence. And where it plays, not in the middle, not in the beginning, it plays at the end of the sentence. It completes the sentence. Is it clear to everyone? For example, children, if you will see, the Shop sells sofas and tables. The shop sells sofas and tables. So this is a sentence and we complete the sentence. That's why at the end we put full stop. Yes, children. Now let's see some example. Yes, this is your textbook part. Okay, rewrite the sentence using capital wherever necessary. Okay, children. So if you will see this, children. Yes, children. So if you will see here, rewrite the sentence using capital letters wherever necessary. See the first one. I have taken 3 examples. The rest 2 you have to do from your own. Okay, children. Now we have to follow the rules of comma, full stop, and we will see capital letters. So first sentence, see, Rubia has finished her homework. You will see, children, here R is small letter. Okay, as I told you, if where we use capital letter in the beginning of the sentence and when it is a proper noun. So Rubia is a proper noun and it also start the sentence. So R will be capital. Okay, and at the end we will put full stop. Okay, so Rubia has finished her homework. Second, see, Raman went to Bangalore on Thursday. So Raman, if you will see Raman, R is small letter. Because it is wrong, because if this we know that if when the sentence begin, the first letter should be capital. So Raman went to Bangalore. Bangalore B should be capital because it is a proper noun. Thursday is a proper noun. It is because it is the name of the week. So again T is capital. So Raman went to Bangalore on Thursday. Then full stop. See, children, the next line. See the third sentence. On Sunday, Vikram Mehta attended a party. Okay, so what is the answer? O should be capital. So on Sunday, S should we have to write S capital because it is the name of the week. Okay, Vikram is the name of a person, Vikram Mehta. So that's why it is also capital. So we will say on Sunday, Vikram Mehta attended a party. Full stop. So children, these questions which is in your book tell us the use of comma, full stop and yes, capital letters. Yes, children, if you will see here, on Sunday, Vikram Mehta attended a party. So that's why we put here comma. Yes, because we can't say on Sunday Vikram Mehta attended a party. On Sunday, take a pause and then Vikram Mehta attended a party. Yes, children. Now let's see the second question, that is the B1. Insert commas in the sentence wherever necessary. See, the Godavari, Krishna, Tapi and Brahmaputra are river flowing in India. So children, look here. Godavari, Krishna, Tapi, they are the names of river. So we have to put what? Yes, they are the list of river. So we have to put comma. So the Godavari, comma, Krishna, Tapi and Brahmaputra are rivers flowing in India. We saw some zebras, 2 lions, 3 giraffes and 2 seals at the zoo. So how we will write? Yes, children, how we will write? Yes, see the next slide. Okay, so I have not given the answer. We saw some zebra, 2 lions. Come on, you have to give me the answer now. Yes, so the answer is we saw some zebras. So after zebras, we will put comma, 2 lions, come on, 3 giraffes, yes, and 2 seals at the zoo. Yes, children. So where we have to insert commas? Where we are giving the list. So here we are having the list of animals. Okay, understood. Now let's see the third example. I had 2 eggs, some toast, a glass of milk and an orange for breakfast. So I had 2 eggs, comma, some toast, comma, a glass of milk, comma, and an orange for breakfast. Understood, children? Now see the C question. Yes, rewrite the sentence using capital letter, comma and full stop wherever necessary. So Ramesh has 2 dogs, a cat, a turtle and some bird as pets. So if you will see, the first letter should be capital as it is a proper noun also and it begins the sentence. So we will say Ramesh has 2 dogs, comma, a cat, a turtle, and some birds as pets. Why we put comma? Because we are telling the list of animals. Yes, children, whenever we are telling the list of anything, we are putting comma. Okay. Second one, our English teacher was absent on Monday, so first letter will be capital, and English E will be capital because it is a proper noun. English teacher was absent on Monday. Monday will be capital and then full stop. So if you will see, children, this question, basically here we are using all the three things which I taught, that is comma, full stop and capital letter. Yes, Rohan, Meera and Nina are friends. So are Rohan, comma, Meera and Nina. Yes, can anybody tell me what mistake I had done here? Yes, children, I want you to give me the answer. Yes, children. So, yes, we will not write Meera because M is capital. Why M is capital? Because Meera is a proper noun. Nina, though it not begin with the begin the sentence, but it is a proper noun. So what we will write? Yes. So such type of things you have to notice. Is it clear to you? So the rest part you have to do from your own in your notebook, children. Thank you for listening the video. Thank you so